Our automation control systems are built off programmable logic controllers and human-machine interfaces developed by leading manufacturers in the space. We integrate these systems with robotic arms supplied by renowned manufacturers, including Phonic. We choose components that support the latest IoT technologies across Wi-Fi and cellular and are designed for high scalability, plug-and-play application, and native cloud support. For projects with complex requirements, we ship our systems with additional macro-level data analysis and integrated monitoring software to support real-time production trend prediction, precise anomaly detection, multi-device remote operations, mobile management, and improved system stability and scalability. Our systems are developed with a firm adherence to quality and seamless integration. We enable our clients to optimize their operations and increase profitability.